Today we are going to discuss how to use the ACCcut Pro in the simplest way. And after we receive the email and click it to download it, we will see the logo of the ACCcut Pro will appear on the desktop. So we just click it to open it and allow this app to make changes on devices to open it, to turn it on. After we turn it on, we will see on the right top corner there is like a language changing area for like English, Chinese, German, Espanol, Italiano, and the other language. For the login portal, there's just like the username here. We will usually provide you the username, and there's a forgot password function if you forgot your password here. And type in your passwords, login. And this is like the interface, the software interface. And usually we will just use general data and then my data. And also the print record is the record after you printed your PPF. We will choose the general data here to take Lucid as an example. For the category, there's paint protection and window film. We usually choose all of it. And the region, choose the region you are, like China, United States, European, and other countries. And we choose US here. And type of vehicles or type of cars, we have the passengers cars and the motorcycles. Make, we have plenty of different model, different brands here, and we use Lucid as an example, as we said. And year 2026, the Gravity, the new vehicle, and submodel. And after we choose all the information here, we will see like search results with the full car PPF, like interior PPF, and the solar film or the window tinting. So we use the full car PPF as the example. Open it, new canvas. Okay, so it is what it looks like for the data here, different pieces of the PPF with the precise data here. And before we want to make the edit, we need to make it up. And the default of the unit is the metric unit. And if you want to change the unit, you can see the left bottom corner, there is a unit button. Click it and choose your unit from millimeters to inch. But I am get used to millimeters, so I just like keep it remains in millimeters. And today we will just briefly explain several functions that is the most important for you to use in the cutting patterns. The first one is the auto expand or expand. The second one is the compose and plotter. And third one is like the left side, the size of the pieces you have for the pieces of the PPF. Let's start from the first one, the auto expand. If you are trying to use the auto expand, there are limitations on this one for the auto expand. For those PPF slices with the green edges, which can use the auto expand. And for those who don't have the green edges, could not do the auto expand, you can just do the normal expand. Take an example for the front fender, right? It is like a classic type of the PPF pieces. So it have the green edges and also the black edges. We can click auto expand here, and because we use the metric system, so there's a 5 millimeters here. Like normally we defaulted to choose 5 millimeters, and we choose expand. As we can see, there is a red line here to replace the original green edges. It is just like the shadow of it. And for those edges which are not originally green, they will not change. After you do the auto expand and when you try to move the pieces, you will show like the shadow of the original edges of these pieces. And if you want to delete it, just click delete shadow here, and you will make your Canva clean. And at the same time, the expand is still keep it, but without the auto expand function, you cannot use it because now the all edges are black right now. If you like miss do anything on it, you can choose undo anytime. And you will see like the green edges comes back. And next, let's move to the compose function. This is a function that will automatically arrange the PPF pieces you selected in the best arrangement on the canvas or on the PPF material you put on the plotter. We can choose the full color here. When we select it, we choose compose. And there's algorithm here, like cloud and local. Cloud means it use our cloud server to calculate the best path to do the arrangement of the PPF. And for the width, this is the width. Basically the 60 inches is the 1520 millimeters. We choose 1480 millimeters here, like equals to 59.2 or 3 inches here, to keep some small spaces for the PPF, to avoid if you put the PPF not that appropriately on the plotter on the accurate place. And for interval and the time, we can just keep it default and start. As we can see, it is doing the progress right now. It is trying to calculate the best path of the different arrangements for the PPF pieces. So it seems like it has nothing changes here, which means the system think this is the best path the PPF pieces should allocate or should arrange. So if you see like there's nothing changed here, you can just choose stop it. And as we can see, this is the PPF pieces arrangement that the system thinks this is the best way to help you to save your cost. And after it automatically compose, we have to choose the bottom left to keep it like the all pieces at the bottom left. Do the plotter right now. Like we can do plot function here. The plotter, we choose it like and we usually use the graph tag here. And if you connected your devices with the equipment you use to do the editing, it will shows the graph tag machines here. And like after your end of cutting, what do you want to do? Do nothing, or want your blade back to the start, or go to the end position or something. And once you click plotter, which equals to the print. And after we have these good patterns here, so if you want to use it in the future, we can just choose save and type the name of the file you want to save it, like Lucid Gravity 2026 full car PPF, and click new here. Okay, and it said it's saved successfully. We can just click OK and check it if there is really appear on my data. And yeah, it appeared. And after we close the canvas and reopen the one we save it, we will see exactly the pattern, like same with the one you previously do and compose. The last one important information and function here is the left top side, like the width and the height. For example, how can we use it to monitor or to change the size of the pieces you want? Let's draw a rectangle here. So for bumper, like to better help you to understand, we can change it to inch. For a bumper, we normally use to 30 inches wide and 10 feet long. But in the software, this is the width and this is the height. So we click it. Okay, so we can see for now, PPF pieces like this rectangle is long 175 inches, but have 45 inches height, like the width. So if you want to do the bumper size, normal bumper size, we can change it to 120 inches with, okay, sorry, 120 inches 10 feet, and change it to 30 inches for the width. Like you will see, like for the height, I mean for the height in the PPF slices. And we just delete all of them, delete all of them, and you can allocate this one on the PPF you put on the plotter, and choose the bottom left, and you can cut it these pieces, and without wasting your material if you do the handbook, and if there's no data or no one the data in the database, like some really old cars, and you can do it to customize the pieces you want. And thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing the ACCcut Pro.